Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody. It's me Vichy Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Tinder account. By that I mean this video is going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Tinder account. Now remember, this Tinder account is an online dating, so basically once you create a Tinder account, basically you can find partner for yourself and do other stuff, alright? But in order to unlock the full version of Tinder, you need to buy the premium version, because in the free version you guys are limited to only some stuffs. Alright, now with that out of the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Now let me teach you how you guys can create a Tinder account. First step, you download Tinder from your Play Store or App Store and open up. It's gonna look just like this. And over here you gotta choose whether you want to sign up into Tinder using your Apple, Facebook, or your phone number. I'm gonna go with my Facebook over here, so I'm just gonna click on my Facebook, click and continue. Now once you're over here, you need to click and continue. If it is with Google, it's gonna ask you to sign up with your Google, but I chose Facebook. Over here now, click and create a new account. So once you're over here, what you want to do is enter your phone number and click and continue. I'm gonna do that real quick. After typing your phone number, it's gonna send a verification code to your SMS. After you receive the code, type the code, click and continue. On the next step, it's gonna ask you to enter your email, so enter your email over here. After entering your email, click and continue. On the next step, just want to click on skip. I don't want to connect my Apple ID, so I'm just going to click on skip. You have to click on I agree, which means you agree to its terms and service. Over here it's going to ask you for your first name. Enter your first name, and it's going to ask you for your date of birth, so just enter your date of birth. Over here I'm entering my date of birth. Continue. And over here choose what you are. I'm a man, so I'm just going to do that. Continue, and choose what type of person you want to meet. So I'm straight, so I'm going to click on that. Continue. I want to see woman. Continue. This is basically like a normal form, so just try to fill it like in a normal way. All right, so over here it's gonna ask you to add 2 of your photos, so at least add 2 of your photo. I'm gonna add 2 of my photo. You also do that and click on continue. All right, now after you add your photo, your Tinder account should be created just like this. So first you need to allow access to Tinder. So basically I'm allowing Tinder to access my location, and that's how you guys can create a Tinder account. It's that simple as that. It is a bit a long process, but it is what it is. All right, so that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day everybody.